If you are a parent or a child with ADHD and wondering, can you really learn guitar with ADHD? Can you really keep the focus? The answer is yes, and we are here to show you how. Today, we are talking about tips on keeping focus, how often you should dedicate to learning, and a step-by-step approach that actually works. So what's the one thing in the practice session that you can come away with that's going to really help your child, to help them feel they've achieved something? So we're always just looking for that one thing to celebrate, and you'll find over a period of time that one thing will compound. So if you practice 3 times a week or 5 times a week, in 1 month, if we do the maths here, you're going to have 20 things that they've achieved, and that's going to build over time. So where some people go wrong is that they try to do everything at once. So just one tiny thing, and that is going to compound over time, and you're going to see real results. So try to go long-term thinking rather than short-term thinking. You can use colourful cards, stickers on the fretboard, and using a very visual anchor creates a strong memory and attention. And here is how I use this in my lessons. Positive energy and fun. ADHD kids thrive with encouragement. Always focus on what went well before correcting the mistake. Focus timer. My son is an ADHD, but he has autism spectrum disorder. So when he was younger, I used to use this sand timer here to set little tasks, and we'd put the timer on like this. And this worked really well because it gave him the prediction of how long he needed to do this certain task for. And it's just a fun way of doing it. If your child has ADHD and wants to learn guitar the fun, focused way, you can check out my online course, Guitar Start in 30 Days. It's designed for short, simple steps that keep kids engaged and motivated, even with busy, wandering minds. In just 30 days, you'll go from picking up the guitar for the very first time to playing real songs with confidence. Click the link below to get started, and let's make learning guitar easy, fun, and ADHD friendly. Another one that I use in my lessons is I set a minute challenge. So if it's a picking exercise or strumming or chord or playing a note, we see how many times we can do it in 1 minute. And as the focus grows and the attention grows, then we build that to 2 minutes, and eventually that becomes 5 minutes. And we're not trying to do everything at once. We're just slowly building that concentration. And this is how music and guitar can really help. Choice and autonomy. Let them pick the skill or the song. And by doing this, it creates a greater personal connection, which also gives longer attention. And in my teaching room, I'm going to show you here, I have these cards that students can pick a certain skill from or a task. Okay, so topic 2, another important one is how often should we dedicate to learning? Short bursts of practice work better than, say, one practice session per week where it's a binge session. You're going to attain more from that. I think at first, 5 to 10 minutes works really well. Usually it's not how long you practice for, it's what you do in that practice time. And some days you're going to have that battle and that challenge, and if it's just for 1 minute, I see that as a win. Frequent daily practice builds muscle memory quicker and you'll see faster results. Short bursts reduce frustration and wandering focus. Think of it as like brushing your teeth. A little every day helps to build strong habits. Even just 5 minutes a day adds up over time. And that's 30 hours of focused guitar practice per year. Is guitar actually good for kids with ADHD? From 25 years of teaching kids with ADHD and autism, is that it helps build focus, grows confidence, emotional regulation, helps with creativity, discipline, and bringing joy to their lives. So don't associate practice with homework. Don't focus only on the mistakes. Don't use practice as a punishment. And don't expect instant focus. So do some of these things. Keep regular practice routines consistent. Celebrate small wins. Keep it short and fun. Use colourful visuals and break lessons into easy steps. Learning guitar with ADHD isn't about perfection. It's about keeping progress. Keep it short, keep it fun, and celebrate even the small wins along the way. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and join me here at Guitar Star Academy, where guitar is for every child to discover the joy of music.